Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bring on another new and yes, exciting reason on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Savage has revealed to a major tabloid that he is officially one of the newest members of the Portmore Gaza camp. Viewers and subscribers, him say yes, he's officially one of the members. Now, viewers and subscribers, for those who are not in the know, Savage was a part of the Gully Squad that was Movado's camp. Movado, I think him cousin and Savage and a few other artists. They never really become prominent artists, but then that's former a camp of some sort. Now, Savage said, we still say Gully, but as an artist, you have to embrace growth. And he said, I did my own and I established Savage Entertainment, and I am looking to grow even more as a part of the Gaza Empire. Viewers and subscribers, him said the king of dancehall himself, Vybz Kartel, has always supported my music even when I was with the other team. So you have to loyal to who loyal to you, he said. Now, that brings into question loyalty. Fans have mixed reviews. Savage said the producers and the fans that say, yo, yeah, because him have a track on the juggling rhythm created by T100 Records, which a turbo them thing. And you know the something got Vybz Kartel, I bring turbo them to prominence. Him have some good rhythm a drop, and him a work with various artists, of course. But we know the big track, I did the track for Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. Now, people that say from you say Savage added to the juggling rhythm, teachers have to say, yo, alright, and co-sign with it. True and not true. Remember, that can be a link created by Turbo and some other people with no Savage. Remember, Savage Sam was a part of the Gully Squad. There is no Gully Squad. You know what I mean? That has been disbanded. That was never a musical group that became any strong force in the music industry. You know what I mean? No big hit songs to their catalog. But we can say this. The fact that he was a member of that situation, that team, and then now being a member of our team, viewers and subscribers, people have mixed reviews. The song is a good song. The music video, good music video. The rhythm, of course, one of the baddest rhythm we drop in a dancehall since the year start. Turbo, big up yourself. You know the something go. Navigator, you know the something go the same way. Tracks on the way. Yeah, tracks on the way. That's cool, man. But as I said, viewers and subscribers, good look for say an artist have the understanding, the mental capacity for know say you're in a music. If you plan to elevate, you plan to go forward in a dancehall music, there's only one music group, only one camp where can help you elevate the music at this point in time. Not saying no artist can do it single-handedly. No, it has to be a team effort. So with that being said, it is always good to be a part of a musical camp. And with that again being said, what are the biggest music camp you know in a dancehall music currently? Because remember, at one point in time, we can say Alliance was the biggest and the most dominant dancehall music group with forces from different parts. A dancehall, a link up. You have the who represent dancing, which are Ellie them. You have Bounty. You name the names. Of course, Vybz Kartel was a prominent member of that. But the Alliance have a whole heap of members. And some members are still in the bus yet. I would say you're one of them. But biggest camp currently are definitely the Gaza family. If you notice, Gaza 6. Right now you have up top Gaza. You don't know production side, Shabdan them, Atto them, Dim them. You know something like that. Spartan them. You know the Vybz Kartel link that. You know what I mean? A Mobile Gaza, Mobile Empire from them time. A one link, if you notice, Vybz Kartel, a majority of these, I did at one point in time, I did Gaza genocide. He make a statement where Corey had make him make, and from that we not hear him retrack him statement, and people still are pre-man and say, Masky, we hear what you're saying. And I like say we are wait for you to say sorry, but we hear what you say. And you know make no reference if say. You know what I mean? When you say what's a reference or you just a roll the statement similar to some other artists who wish not to mention in this vlog. But you see? At this point in time we can clearly say that if we are talking about dominance, we are talking about a music group that help young artists establish themselves. A two music groups that in the dancehall history that were not record labels. And the Alliance and the Gaza Empire. And no other music group. Talk now, man. There was never another music group to do this. And that is just the facts of the matter. So, regardless if Savage is a part of the opposition, the facts say him has forward to the awareness that staying in that lane would have been stagnant. His career wouldn't go nowhere. At one point in time, we remember when Savage fouled up back and said Kulu Wine. People are saying, yo, the Vybz Kartel image was definitely there. And he just work with the flow. At that point in time, him get the opportunity to become pre-him career. And the decisions them we make in his career thus far. And then decide say, you know what? The most sane choice, the right choice. You can't do nothing but the right thing and do it the right way. Would that be for link up with the teacher and be at the turbo juggling with him? Yeah. The link set and him saying is now officially one of the newest members of the Vote More. No, we can't say Vote More Empire at this point in time. The Gaza Empire. I could have said that. The Gaza Empire. And there is a new Gaza Empire for those who are not in the know. Remember UTG, them part of prominence now. We have Jody Couture. You know what I mean? We have Lisa Mercedes. Remember, Lisa Ike never gone away. But she's there back in full force now. Sika Rhymes the VP did it. I deal with the business side of all the Wagwan and still I drop the tracks them same way. It's a good look. It's a good look. And hopefully by 2021, no later, the teacher will be here to lead out the ones from the front. Because true generals lead from the front. And the teacher has been instrumental in everybody's career I just mentioned a while ago. Instrumental. But can't stop state this is no. Very few artists can say them help producer. All designer Vybz Kartel help. Enough international artists can say them do that to still. But locally, very few can say it. All designer, Mooney them. Or Mooney a build teacher thing them till people start link Mooney. And I say, yo, close. They shake when they make interview and things. But you know where something go? All designer, the teacher boss. Producers, artists. Who knows? Only for entrepreneurs. Maybe enough people who only for business place and the teacher give them the idea and the startup capital. They say, yo, do it. Definitely an inspiration to all who look upon it from an inspirational point of view. Facts of the matter, viewers and subscribers. Definitely facts of the matter. And it's a good look to see in this day and age. Even artists that were a part of the scene are did they in a close proximity to artists who are part of the scene of yesteryear. Can see the growth of music, see the growth of dancehall and realize your Vybz Kartel has always been a true visionary. Because in the round, the opposition as I was saying, him and Varo them used to part. And him see the creative process we're going to Varo them and feed them production. And as the years go by and him get more understanding of music, him realize say, yo, creativity, innovation, them not have that. A Vybz Kartel have that. And this is somebody who has seen music from the production side, not just from the side of someone who is listening and critiquing the music, but actually seeing the music being created, seeing the creative process from the song being mixed and mastered to even the rhythm being created. And see our artists going to the booth. So what the creative process is like to write a hit song. Him see the whole process. And he make the clear decision. And I make the clear statement. The Vybz Kartel and Field Music Camp are the best to ever do it. Vybz the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the gospel representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well. Drop a like on the blog for me, like for your ear viewers and subscribers. The share icon there too as well. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, also join the discussion via the comment section, because the comment section is always open, never lack yet, 24/7, no matter what go on worldwide. Now viewers and subscribers, drop your thoughts, comments and opinions there, and we can come to the reasons as I said. And my sentiments for you and yours, first and foremost, keep safe. I mean, do you need to do, and live, love and prosper until we reason again. Our move settings fam, and we no need no ladder.